welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have new makeup. I ordered the new Mini Love collection by Natasha Denona, and I finally received the package yesterday. So let's unbox it together. There it is. So we have the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipstick. I've never tried a Natasha Denona lipstick, but I've been meaning to. This is in the shade 39 NP Amorosa. Just unbox it. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this packaging and it feels so nice. Whoa, that looks awesome. And it even has ND right there. Looks like a beautiful brownie nude. I think the packaging is what sold me most on this collection. Then here we have the Love Cheek Duo. I love collecting these. They are so pretty. This one looks smaller for sure. So it's like a mini version of her other blush and glow palettes, but this is a cream blush and highlighter. I love that they're so small. Oh my god. I love the glitter that comes on the inside. I was kind of afraid that they were gonna be very similar, but this is taking on a more light pink approach and this one's more hot pink, which I love. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And then here's the Mini Love palette. How cute is that? So nice. These eyeshadows are so tiny. I thought this was gonna be really cheap feeling, but it actually isn't. It's like a really hard plastic. It's not focusing on it because it's too little, but these shades are so pretty. And I believe they're all new shades because like I said, last year she had a similar Love launch. Does it go from this side or this side? I don't know, but the shades are You Are My True Love. So for today, I've actually already done my base. That way we could get straight into these products. I still want to do 3 looks with this mini palette, if that's even possible. There's only 5 shades. Today will be the first one. The second look will be posted tomorrow. Third one will be posted the day after that. So get excited for all the Valentine's Day makeup tutorials coming up. I want to try to have at least 5 out by the end of this week. But today we're going to be starting with look number 1. And let's see what we can come up with this mini eyeshadow palette. Actually, before we get started with the mini eyeshadow palette, I want to get the rest of my face done with the Love Cheek Duo. This is cream blush and highlighter. The cream blush is in the shade Pink Coral, and the highlight is a Glow Impact powder in the shade Pink and Golden Champagne Duochrome. So I'm actually gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm gonna dip it into this pink coral blush, and I'm gonna pop this very lightly from the back of my cheekbones. And yes, I already have powder on. I've already tried this formula before and they're so amazing that they even work well on top of powder products, which is crazy to me. Usually you have to do your cream blush before you do any powder, but these are really nice. I should really be using these more often. Awesome. Now taking my ABH A23 highlighting brush, I'm gonna go into the highlight. If we can see it, look, I'm really digging in there. I think I always have a little bit of a problem with her powder highlights. Can you guys see that? I don't know if I do. I mean, a little. It's very subtle. I'm like digging. Maybe there's like a clear film on top that I have to get through, but I don't want to destroy the little hearts. I see it, but I don't even think the camera's gonna be able to see it. That's how subtle it is. There it is, a little bit. Can you guys see it better? I feel like I'm doing backflips for you guys to be able to see this. Looks nice with this blush though. Just very subtle. I expected more out of it. As always. Whoa, okay, I see it. Yeah, I'm starting to see it now. Yeah, I think I just had to get through a weird tiny film. At least it wasn't that hard to get through. There she is. There's the highlight. Now I'm gonna try to go in with my fingers and do the tip of my nose. My Cupid's bow. I can so see myself using this for every day with just a little bit of mascara. But now let's get into the most exciting part. This Mini Love eyeshadow palette. It is so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna go in with, I just don't know which way it goes. I think it goes this way. I think this is R. It's this very light purpley shade. just realized that I was being really quiet through all of that. This shade is being a little difficult to blend out. As soon as I place it somewhere, it doesn't want to move. Yeah, that worked better. Not pressing down too hard worked a little better to get this blended out, because if you don't apply too much pressure, then you don't deposit as much product on your eye. This shade actually looks lighter in the pan than it actually is, so that's really good and actually really nice because you only get 2 mattes. This palette is easier to work with. How am I gonna make 3 looks out of this tiny palette without making them look the same? I actually don't know, but we will find out. Today we're actually going to my parents' house, so I don't want to do something too dramatic. They don't say anything, but I don't know. My family has a chiller vibe than I do. Very pretty. Yeah, it was just me. I was just pressing down on the brush a little too hard. It wasn't too hard, but a little too hard. That's really pretty. I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna sweep that same shade on my lower lash line. Oh, this is such a pretty shade. Which one of these metallics should we do? I feel like I want to go for this one right here. This one is either You or Love. I don't know. But it's like a duochrome metallic shade, because in some lighting it looks a little brownish goldish, and in other lighting it looks kind of pink. Whoa, that is soft. Whoa, and the more you add, the more intense it gets. Putting this all over my eyelid. So pretty. So soft and so easy to work with. I can see the duochromeness of it even on my eyelid. Sometimes when I put some of these duochrome shades on my eyes, they don't show up duochrome. They just show up like a normal shade. This one is actually like, it's giving me that two-tone. This is really pretty. And then I think this is true. Right here is the lightest shade in the palette. I'm gonna place that in the inner corner, and that showed up pretty well with a brush. That's so pretty. That's really pretty and soft. I bet if I were to apply a layer of it on top with my finger, it would get so much more intense. But that's not what I want. I just want this to be really subtle here in the inner corner. I'm gonna touch up the crease a little bit. I do wish this palette had a lighter matte so that I can put on my brow bone, but there's only so many shades you can put in this little palette, you know? But that looks nice, actually. This little palette almost does the work for you so that you don't have to guess, okay, which eyeshadow should I put together? It gives you a little bit of everything you need. It's so pretty and purpley. I love the duochromeness, like I said. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm gonna go apply some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided that this was such a simple look that it didn't need any lashes. So I just curled my lashes and did some mascara. Now we're gonna move on to lipstick. I can't wait to use this. The collection did not come with a lip liner, sadly, but let's go ahead and use it on its own. I already wiped off what I had on earlier on my lips. Very soft. It kind of feels like a lip balm. This is about to be my newest favorite. If you guys hadn't noticed, I am so into lip stuff recently. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm just so into it. I love the shade. I love how smooth it is. It also feels and looks like a lip balm, but it has that beautiful lipstick finish. It's not heavy and it's not settling into any creases of my lips at all. It looks really nice. So that is it for this minimal Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial using the new Natasha Denona mini love story collection. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.